So after my last video with the disposable camera, my friend Fabian actually, he found this at a garage sale or something. It was 50 cents, little plastic camera. So we're gonna be doing a cheap camera challenge. As you can tell, it is Bell and Howell. It has a 28mm lens. Absolutely no way to set the ISO, rewind button and shutter button, and the little rewind lever is all you really got. It looks like it's all mechanical, and it winds like a disposable camera. We're gonna be throwing, to make it even cheaper, I'm gonna be throwing my favorite cheap film, Kodak 200 Gold. It's like $3 a roll. So let's see what this and this can get us. By the way, it's like 7 o'clock, so it's like sun's about to go down in like 30 minutes, so we'll see what happens. So like I mentioned, there's no way to set ISO on this. So you can literally, all you can do is turn it on and off. So let's find out what happens. This first shot I want to take of this thing with cars coming. Let me just, okay, I think it took it. It sounds like a disposable camera, just like a little tink. Oh, I guess I also should mention, I'm assuming autofocus. I'm assuming autofocus, so I mean, it's taking the pictures because it's advancing, but everything appears to be automated on this. Time to test this machine's low light capabilities. We're in a very dark garage, 7:07 p.m. Lights dwindling fast. Let's see what this can do. Current time 7:15 on shot number either 16 or 17 of 24. So this challenge got even harder now. Our sun is pretty much below the horizon at this point. We're working with what's left over. Oh God, pray for us. So as you saw in this video, because at the moment of recording this, I have no clue what these pictures look like. As you saw in this video, you can definitely make film shots for $3.50 a piece. Thanks for watching. I appreciate you. We'll see you on the next one.